it?
See, you know, the reason why industrial pollution happens is because the efficiency of making any product is not 100%. So when you in an industrial process, when you put something, there are wastages. Okay, and those wastages are called as non-product output, and that's what pollution is all about. So pollution is actually, in industrial pollution, is actually non-product output, and depending on type of industry, you have different kind of non-product output and therefore different kind of pollution. In a paper industry, for example, to make 1 ton of paper, you need close to 100 ton of water, 2 ton of wood, another say 2 ton of coal, and half a ton of chemicals to make 1 ton of paper. And therefore, your total input requirement is 105 ton, and your output is just 1 ton, that is 1 ton paper. 104 ton that is left goes out as pollution. Okay. So, depending on different kind of industrial processes, and you have a different kind of pollution. Now, how severe is industrial pollution? There is 2 things that we need to understand. One is that we have wide varieties of industries in India. They are located in some cases they are located in clusters. So our industrial pollution problem in clusters are very different than industrial pollution where a single standalone industry is there. So in clusters we have huge pollution problem. In fact, all the industrial cluster more or less fall in critically polluted areas today. In last year, Ministry of Environment and Forest actually came out with a list of 80 odd industrial clusters and found most of them to be critically polluted. So we have huge industrial pollution challenges in hand, and we will need all sort of tools and techniques, technology and finance to solve these problems.
Okay. What are the challenges in solving industrial pollution?
One of the major challenges in solving industrial pollution right now is regulatory challenge. Okay, our regulations are not up to mark, and our enforcement agencies are very weak. So that I consider as a major challenge right now, because we have technology, industries have money, and the only thing that is lacking is to implement, the intent to implement from industry side. And therefore one of the major challenges right now we have in India is a regulatory challenge.
Okay.
And the second challenge we have is that we are not setting industries by taking into account the assimilative capacity of environment. So, industries should be set up only where, the environment can assimilate whatever pollution is coming out. If you set up lot more industries than the assimilative capacity of the environment, pollution will always happen. And that's where our EIA process is failing.